Resisting.
Ow! Stop resisting! Oh, you can't!
Get out of the car.
Oh my God!
Give me your hand.
On July 10th, 2025, while conducting routine patrol, an officer spotted a vehicle that failed to stop at a posted stop sign and initiated a traffic stop.
Hello there, good morning.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi. Yes, you can.
Before we dive in, here's the situation. A routine patrol, a simple traffic violation, and what should have been a quick stop turns into a heated legal showdown. But here's the real question. What happens when a driver believes the law doesn't apply to them? Watch closely, because the stop escalates fast, and the legal arguments get very interesting.
My name's Officer DeLeon with the Malvern Beach Police Department. Just like to let you know that this traffic stop is being audio and video recorded, okay? The reason for the stop is just because of your incomplete stop during the stop sign at Ocean and Pine, okay? You just kind of stopped right in the middle of the intersection after you've already passed the stop sign and the stop bar. You stopped in the middle of the intersection and then you proceeded to go, okay? Do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't.
You don't have your driver's license? Do you have a driver's license?
Yes.
Yes? Is it valid?
Yes.
It is valid? Are you the registered owner of the vehicle? I'm sorry? Okay, any reason why it wouldn't be? Ma'am, you gotta speak up. I can't hear you very well.
Because I don't think it's necessary to travel in my car.
You don't think you need a driver's license to drive your car? What does that mean? Okay, who's the registered owner of this vehicle? Okay, what is your first name? Do you have the registration for your vehicle?
Right here is where things start taking a turn. The driver claims she doesn't need a license because she's traveling. This argument is commonly linked to the sovereign citizen theory, a belief that individuals are not subject to certain laws. The problem? Courts across the United States have consistently rejected this idea. So legally speaking, this argument rarely ends well during a traffic stop.
I'm sorry? I don't need to see the registration for your vehicle? Why do you think that I don't need to see it?
Because what you're doing was illegal. I am traveling in my car.
You ran a stop sign
I didn't run a stop sign. I stopped.
in the middle of the intersection after you've already ran the stop sign.
No.
Okay. Do you have insurance?
That on video?
No, I don't. Do you have insurance? Okay. So, you're driving a motor vehicle in the state of Florida. Okay. You're required to have a driver's license. You're required to show proof of insurance.
Are you under the hood? You have your identification?
Yes, I have my identification. 344. My name is Officer DeLeon. So, what is the status of your driver's license?
Officer. And I would like to know what caused, what harm.
10-4, may I have another unit?
Harm was caused.
I'm sorry?
Why are you pulling me? What
I am pulling you over.
What harm was caused?
Allow me to answer your question for the fourth time. The reason for your stop today is because you ran a stop sign, and now I'm initiating a traffic stop based off of that moving violation. Okay?
And I'm telling you that I am a real person with real arms and legs.
Right.
I'm not a corporation. I'm not the person on my identification.
Okay, but in the state of Florida, you have to have a valid driver's license. Yes, I am.
Do you realize that what you're doing right now is harassment?
No, what I'm doing right now is a legal traffic stop based off of a violation that I observed.
I am not personal property.
So, do you have a driver's license?
Nobody has been harmed.
You don't have a driver's license? Okay. Have you ever been issued a driver's license in
This moment is important. The officer says something many people misunderstand. Driving is legally considered a privilege, not an absolute right. That means states can require licenses, insurance, and registration. Refusing to provide those during a lawful stop can quickly escalate the situation. So here's a question for you. Should officers immediately escalate when someone refuses to cooperate, or should they give more time to explain the law?
Florida? Okay, when was that? Okay, so is it valid or is it not
I
valid?
think it's valid.
Okay, but why won't you show your...
Because I don't have to.
Okay.
Under the Constitution of the United States, we do not have to.
I think you are very misinformed about the laws in the state of Florida. I'm not. Trust me, I'm not.
There has been no harm done.
You ran a
Has any
stop
person
sign.
been hurt?
You ran a stop sign.
Has any property been taken?
No.
So you are harassing.
Okay. You ran a stop sign, which is a moving violation in the state of Florida. You have no proof of insurance. You don't want to give me any of your paperwork.
I don't need any of that. I'm traveling in my car.
You do need that. You have to provide that documentation. Driving is not a right. It is a privilege.
No, driving actually is a privilege.
It is not a right, ma'am.
Yeah,
It's not. It's set on the driver's license that you say you were issued. It says on your driver's license that driving is not a right, ma'am.
I can't do that.
Okay.
Are you ready to go to jail?
Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is step out of the car.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car. It's a lawful order. Because you're not cooperating with my traffic stop.
What's up?
I'm going to have her step out.
All right, step out. Step out.
She doesn't want to provide any information.
Step out.
Are you going to kidnap me?
Get out of jail.
And now we're approaching a critical turning point. When an officer orders someone out of a vehicle during a traffic stop, it may feel surprising, but U.S. Supreme Court precedent actually allows it. The case often cited is Pennsylvania versus Mims, which ruled that officers can order drivers out of a vehicle for safety reasons. What happens next shows exactly how quickly things can spiral when that order is refused.
Get out of the car. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. Get out of the car.
Oh, no.
Get out of the car.
Oh, hold on.
Get out of the car.
Help!
Get out of the car.
Help!
No, you're going. Get on the ground.
Help!
Stop resisting.
Help! Help! Stop resisting! I can't!
Get out of the car.
Oh, my God.
Give me your hands.
Oh, my God. Oh, you're hurting me.
Well, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I gotta get up. It's hot. It's hot.
Well, then stop resisting. We'll get you off the ground. How about that?
Jesus.
Good job, Ted. Good? You trying to the level. White female. 10, 15.
I'm burning on the concrete.
We're going to get you up in a second.
Dad, you got out of the car like she asked you to?
Hold on, I'm trying to lock it.
Up on your knees.
My glasses. I can't see without my
All
glasses.
right, well, we'll get them for you in a minute. Stand up. She thought about that before you resisted. Get up.
I can't.
Stand up.
I can't.
Why can't you?
Because I'm very weak.
Okay. One leg at a time, okay?
Oh, my God. I can't.
Come on, stand up.
I can't. It's burning me.
Well, then get up. Stand up.
I can't.
Okay. Step up. 1, 2, 3.
I need my phone. I need my phone.
All right, we'll get it.
And just like that, a simple stop sign violation has turned into multiple charges. According to the officers, the situation escalated due to refusal to comply with lawful orders and failure to provide required documents. It's a powerful reminder that during traffic stops, small decisions can have big consequences. But now I want to hear from you. Do you think the situation could have been handled differently, or was the outcome inevitable once the driver refused to cooperate?
She's gonna search you.
Help! I'm being kidnapped! Okay, my feet are burning. Can I have my shoes?
You'll have your shoes in a second. Listen, next time an officer orders you out of the vehicle, you're required to get out. Do you
You don't
understand?
really have the right to order me out of my
Yeah, we do.
I'm gonna need your ID.
I'm the corporal. I'm the supervisor. Case law says Pennsylvania versus Mims. All right, have a seat. Now you got a resisting charge.
How do I have a resistance?
Yep, you didn't get out of the car. You good, Taya?
Yeah.
Everything good? What'd you have?
So she ran a stop sign.
Okay.
She did give me her name, but
Okay.
she ran a stop sign. She says she doesn't have to give proof of insurance, doesn't have to give the registration, doesn't have to give me your driver's license. I asked her for driver's license valid. She told me that I didn't need some of that information.
Okay.
And then as soon as you pulled up, I said, step out of the car. She said, I don't have to step out of the car and find the Constitution, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
She said she's traveling, not driving. She's not a professional driver.
Cool. All right, 10-15. Got resisting. Hey, I don't see a current registration and or insurance in this stack. It's all expired. Rider for everything. Rider for, you got resisting, which is 1015 for. But you have the stop sign, which is PC. And you got no proof of insurance, no proof of registration.
In the end, she was charged with resisting an officer without violence, running a stop sign, failing to provide proof of insurance, and operating a vehicle with a registration that had been expired for more than 6 months. What do you think about this situation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.